Hey there. If you've ever searched for a valve and felt like you were trying to find a needle in a haystack, you're not alone. I'm talking to the sales reps and purchasing folks out there, especially in wholesale distribution, who just want to find the right valve fast without digging through a mess of part numbers or playing email ping pong with your supplier. Let's fix that. Today, I'm going to show you how Smart Search can cut your sourcing time in half and make you look like an absolute rock star to your customer. Ever been here? You type in 1-inch gate, 800-pound threaded end connection, A105 forged valve, and either nothing shows up or 76 random options pop up and half are out of stock. Yeah, that's not what we're doing anymore. Smart Selection is a total game changer. It lets you select how you think by size, material, pressure class, connection type, whatever matters to your job, not by some cryptic internal part number that nobody understands. Here's what it looks like in action. Let's say your spec is for a 12111 figure number, 800-pound A105 carbon steel gate valve with threaded end connections. Simply type in 12111 in the search bar. That will bring you to this page of options. The most popular, most selected valve is the first valve listed. You can see quickly that it matches your criteria. It is a gate valve, 800-pound pressure class, A105 material, and figure number 12111. Vote is the manufacturer here. So click on the picture, or you can use the filters on the sidebar. The easiest thing to do is click the picture, then choose your size. And in 1 inch, you will choose Vote's new design, and that's it. You can see our real-time availability, add it to your cart, and you're on your way. Log in to see our real-time pricing. Easy, easy, easy. If you want to learn more about the Vote 12111, just click on the video or pull down a spec sheet in the related documents. No digging, no mistakes, and no more waiting on your supplier to email you back sometime next week. And that's huge because when your customer's down or waiting on a quote, every minute counts. Speed isn't just nice. It's the difference between looking like a pro or getting left behind. Let's be real. You're already busy enough. You don't need sourcing to be a second full-time job. So here's your takeaway. If your current supplier's website feels like a maze, it might be time to try something smarter. Head over to petrovalve.com, try out our Smart Search, and see how fast you can find the right valve without the guesswork. It's easy to browse real-time availability. You don't have to log in for that. And if you ever get stuck, our support team is standing by ready to help. No handoffs, no nonsense. Thanks for watching, and go crush that next quote.